Hey guys, it's Monica, owner of Facewear Makeup and Skin, and today I'm going to talk to you about the Lemongrass Bladderwrack Mist. So this is a mist, not a toner. I don't like to call it a toner because toner is so old school terminology. So this is not a toner, it's a mist. So I like to use the mist. Basically, you can freshen up throughout the day. You can just keep misting it just to breathe in the scent. So the lemongrass in this is what gives it the refreshing scent. But the lemongrass also helps to hydrate, and it also has antifungal, antibacterial properties to it. So it'll help with normalizing oil production, not stop oil production. And then the bladderwrack in here. So bladderwrack is an interesting ingredient, but that also is very nourishing and it's very stimulating, revitalizing, also has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties to it. And it does have some disinfecting abilities as well. So it makes it great when everybody's wearing a mask now. So when you're wearing your mask all day and you want to prevent all of that, the bumps and irritation that you get underneath your mask, throughout the day, when it's safe, you can lift up your mask and just kind of spritz it on. It doesn't matter, you can spritz it over anything and it'll help to kind of disinfect or kind of keep away all those things that are going to kind of grow underneath and get into the pores. So very important, very helpful for that. And it not only will kind of boost your spirits just because of the smell, it's just so refreshing. It will help your skin kind of fight that irritation and inflammation, anything that you get from the rubbing of the mask and just breathing in your own bacteria where it's getting trapped on your skin. So great for our over irritated skin from mask use, but we all have to wear it. Another thing I like to do is on my no hair wash days, so you can mist your hair, which I do a lot. You can just spray on your hair before you're going to dry it, or those no hair wash days, you can spritz it on. I also do the back of my neck, the nape of my neck, behind my ears, just so I feel a little cleaner. So it helps to give you that nice refreshed feeling, even if you didn't wash your hair, which I don't wash it every day. So this is when I'll spray this on my hair just so I feel a little fresh. There's a lot of other amazing ingredients in the Lemongrass Bladderwrack Mist. So it has Burdock Root, it has green tea, it has Pansy, it has basil, coneflower. So all of these ingredients are great for hydrating and they're really healing to the skin. So it's an all around, all the ingredients in it are made to heal the skin, hydrate the skin, nourish the skin, help with inflammation, and help with irritation for everyday use. So before you're going to wash your face, so before you're going to use the anise green tea and the oatmeal adzuki exfoliant, I suggest spraying your face. So get your face nice and moist with the mist. Then you can take a pump of the anise green tea, rub it all around your face, and then you can take a little bit of the oatmeal adzuki and rub that around, avoid the eyes, and just get all over gently. You're not scrubbing, you're just rubbing around. The ingredients will work on its own. You don't have to help it and keep rubbing it in. Rinse with water, so rinse it all off, and then afterwards, mist again. So spray a little bit more on top, and then you can put on your serums, and then you can put on your oils. So what this does, our water is really full of chemicals, it's full of so much stuff, so it actually disrupts your pH of your skin. So the lemongrass bladderwrack helps to regulate the pH of your skin. So it's going to help the damage that the water does to your skin. Another great thing is if you just put your makeup on and you put a powder on, which is normal, but if you feel like you put a little too much powder or you don't want to wait until it all sets in and your natural oils kind of come through, you can spritz this on top. You just stay a little bit farther away and just spray and just let it sit on top of that powder, and it'll it'll just sort of absorb into it, and it won't give you that powdery finish. It'll just give you a nice healthy glow, and it'll refresh you too. So my Lemongrass Bladderwrack Mist, I recommend it. It's good for everybody. It's good for all skin. It doesn't matter what type of skin you think you have, you should be using the Lemongrass Bladderwrack Mist. Really help. I suggest spraying it before you put your mask on, and throughout the day, just spray, and it'll help keep all those germs and things from festering and getting into your pores. So that's it. I will see you in the next video. Thanks.